and welcome back to our channel. So I'm gonna start this vlog here. It's Friday and it's what time? 11:50 in the afternoon. I have a half day from work today, which is amazing. So my insurance agency in New York is having like a picnic day, and obviously we're in Nashville, I work remote, so I'm not able to attend, but with that, I'm able to have the day off. Well, not have the day off, but have a half day, which is great. So I am getting ready to go down to the gym right now. I figured I would bring you guys along if there's nobody in there. And yeah, so, oh, hello there. So I'm gonna fill this water up and then we're gonna head down to the gym, and I'll bring you guys along if there's nobody in there, because I'm shy. Okay, so Troy just got home. He just went to Chipotle and got us lunch. And what'd you get?
Steak burrito.
And then I got a salad. So my salad has lettuce, brown rice, mild tomato, cheese, and guac. So this is gonna be really good. And then we got some nachos and, not nachos, we got chips and queso. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna eat now. Right, sis? And she wants some. But sharing's caring, so we'll give her a chip. Right? Right. Good morning. Wow, I'm looking really, really good. So it's the next day. It's about 7 a.m. and we woke up at like 6:30 and now we're on a dog walk. So we figured we'd show you guys. This park is really gorgeous. It's so pretty. We actually just saw a deer like in the fields. So that was fun.
Yeah, it's like 10 minutes from our house.
Yeah. So it's nice because on the weekends we like to drive to like a nearby park to take them for a walk, because their typical walk is basically like on a main street. So it's nice to be able to get away and come to a nice, beautiful park. Update, we went home, we got ready, and now I have no idea where we're going because Troy will not tell me. He said he has this day planned for us. I wonder if it's going to be overwhelming or underwhelming, so we'll see. but I also wasn't sure the next time that he would be feeding me. So I brought snacks. So I have an apple and I also have animal crackers. So yeah, we'll take you guys with us.
All right, stop number 1, City Winery. Really, well, actually, look at that. Very pretty. You can see the city in the background almost.
I was actually, when we first walked up, because it's very pretty from the outside, I was thinking that it was going to be very busy, like inside and up here, because there's this like patio area upstairs, and there's literally nobody up here.
The whole place is like pretty dead. Even the restaurant, there was probably like maybe 10 groups. So
yeah, maybe it gets busier later in that evening, but yeah, we're like the only ones up here right now. What?
I was hoping they had a wine tour, but you have to book it 48 hours in advance. So
yeah,
no wine tour, but we still got some wine, and Sam and I are almost matched with our graphic tees. Cheers.
Cheers.
All right, so the last stop we showed was a rooftop bar called LA Jackson.
Oh, did you show that?
I think so. Anyways.
I don't know if you did.
Anyways, that's where we went. That was stop number 2.
2.
3.
And then 3, we just went to Urban Outfitters, and we'll have to show you guys what we got. I got another sweatshirt, and I got 2 new perfumes, which I've had before, and I love. They're like amazing staples, and I'm actually out at home, and I just couldn't be bothered to order them, so it was nice that we were able to go there and get them.
So that was stop number 4. Now we're on to stop number 5.
Yep.
Which is Pins Mechanical. So
yeah, and I actually saw this place on TikTok.
So we'll take you along.
It's gonna be interesting. All right, let's go.
It's pretty busy there, so we didn't get to do anything too exciting, but we got a couple tricks.
So it's like a bowling alley.
Yeah, duck pin bowling.
Or like Arcadia.
Yeah, there's arcades too.
So we weren't able to really do any of that fun stuff, but we were able to grab a drink, and guys, I'm tipsy. Good morning. So it's Sunday now, and we woke up, kind of had a chilled morning because we have been waking up so early every single day that we haven't really had the opportunity to just stay in bed and relax. So we stayed in bed pretty late today. I think I was in bed till like 8:30, which is late for us. So then we got ready for the day, and now we're on a dog walk, and then we just have some errands that we have to run. We have to go grocery shopping. We gotta go to Target and just get some essentials. And then, yeah, I think we're going to probably just have a chill day. I have laundry going back home right now, washing our bedding, washing some clothes. And yeah, it was pretty eventful yesterday. We got home a little bit later than I was like thinking we were going to. What time did we get home? Like 9?
A little before that.
It feels late for us it feels late for me when we get back at like 9, just because we've been waking up so early every single day. When we get home late, it's kind of, I'm tired by the time we get home at that time. But I wanted to fill you guys in about this new show that we've been watching. We've been watching Nashville. Whoa, oh my God. Why are you oh yeah, okay. Back to what I was saying. We've been watching Nashville on Hulu, and we started watching it back in New York when we knew that we were moving to Nashville, because we tried watching it a few years ago and we just couldn't get into it. I think we watched like 1 or 2 episodes, and I think that that's the thing with that show. You have to watch, like, get a few episodes in, I think like 4 or 5 episodes, and then you'll end up being obsessed with it. Like, we watch it every single day, and we're always like, oh, we have to try on Nashville. And it also, there's like a bunch of seasons with a ton of episodes. I think season 1 had like 22 episodes. we just got to season 3, episode 2, and we still have quite a bit to go. And yeah, I just highly recommend it. It's very good. There's constantly some drama that's going on. So yeah, you should definitely watch that. So yeah, we're just gonna finish up this walk, and then we're gonna head back to our apartment, and then probably head out, I think. And then we need to figure out what we're gonna do for lunch though, but we'll figure it out. So yeah. Okay, so we're about to head out and run our errands for the day, but real quick before we leave, I just wanted to show you guys what we got from Urban Outfitters. The first one is this oversized sweatshirt. I love the color, and that's what kind of drew me to this one. They had a gray one, like a dark charcoal one as well, but I'm super into this purple color lately. I don't know what it is. I think my first clip that I had filmed of this vlog, I was wearing a purple sweatshirt. That was like the same thing, also from Urban Outfitters, and I love it. I always get a large, extra large in this, because and anything oversized at Urban Outfitters, just because I like it very oversized. And you can see it's longer than my shorts. So I like that. I like the look of that. I just think it makes it overall more comfy cozy. Troy got this baseball hat, this Yankee hat. It's like a blue, Troy, what is this called? Like suede, not suede.
Corduroy.
Corduroy. Yeah, it's a really pretty blue color. So I shouldn't say pretty, but it's a nice looking blue color. You know what I mean? So we got that. And then I had also restocked on 2 of my favorite perfumes that they have. This one, I don't know how to pronounce them. So you could take a screenshot if you want them, but they're both very good. Let's see if they say like what the scents are. No, it doesn't say what kind of smell, but either way, this Nora Distill one, I've been wanting to get it so badly. It's been like sold out on Urban Outfitters website for like the longest time, so I haven't been able to get it. And then this Fleur de Blonde, actually, it was funny because the last time I had ordered perfume off Urban Outfitters website, I can't remember which one. I think I ordered like the Miel BB. I don't know how to pronounce that one either, but I'm pretty sure I ordered that one on the website, and they accidentally sent me 2 of these ones, which turned out amazing because like I fell in love with the scent. So that's perfect. And actually, just a quick fun fact, I'm going to order, so I have these sandals from Urban Outfitters. I have 4 of them. I have like a orangish brownish, I have this tan, I have black, and then I have white. My orangish brownish ones, the back flap is starting to come up. This sandal is just starting to come undone because of how often I wear them. So right now they're on sale for $19.50 on the website. They're 50% off on Urban's website. So I'm going to order the orange brownish ones because those are the only ones that are from her. So yeah, that's what we're doing. And now we should get going so we can go run our errands because Troy has to work today. Well, tonight. He's working tonight. He's got a lot of stuff to do. So yeah, that's what we're going to do. So we're gonna just end the vlog up here. We just got home from running our errands and we got some groceries we have to put away. I swear we are always forgetting our like reusable grocery bags every time we go out. Well, actually we forgot it the last 2 weekends. So last weekend we ended up going to TJ Maxx and purchasing more reusable bags so that we could go grocery shopping. And then of course we forgot them this weekend. So this weekend, one thing about Trader Joe's though is that they stack their bags up. So I just wanted to show you guys, oh look at what I got. I got Dunkin' Donuts pumpkin spice coffee. Fall is right around the corner, people. Once it gets to August, so my birthday's in August, it's the middle of August. Once my birthday has passed in August, it is fall season and I can't wait. So fingers crossed that we'll be able to be in I think we're gonna be in our house. It's looking like what do you think? Like beginning of October? Beginning, middle of October now. I mean, I feel like every time we're talking about like house updates, yada, 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 we're like, oh, it's gonna be this time, and every time it's just getting pushed back more and more. Fingers crossed. My mindset is that we're getting into this house in October, beginning of October. Hopefully the first weekend in October, that would be amazing. But we'll see. So yeah, I wanted to show you guys this because I'm really excited and I cannot wait. We're not gonna break out any candles being in this apartment. It's not worth it. Adelaide is sitting. She thinks that this is a treat for her. Every time I have like nice treats for the dogs, they sit and wait for them. So yeah, she's sitting right here now. Just being a little goofy goober. Oh, there she is. Hi. Okay. So then I wanted Troy to show you guys his drink that he had gotten at the store yesterday because he went out looking for Loverboy for us because that's another thing. Loverboy wasn't really in the area. I mean, they had just recently gotten into the area that we were living in New York. This dog, I swear. But show him.
It's a beer, and the guy was telling me about it. So it's called Rainbow Smiggles, and it's made with Fruit Loops, Skittles, strawberry, and pineapple. So
I don't like beer, but I feel like
interesting.
If I did like beer, I would love that. But I don't like beer, so I'm not gonna have any. But I thought it was cool because I mean, it's literally like all of your favorite.
It has like the Trix rabbit on it.
All your favorite kid treats and alcoholic beverage. So that's interesting. That's fun. Okay, so that's it for this weekend's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. We're gonna get going with packing some groceries away and tidying up, doing some laundry, doing more relaxing on this fine Sunday. And yeah, we hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye.